We just shape the plate and go this way. We do boring, milling here. And in front of us we have 4 manufacturing machines where we do milling and machining here. With 3 axes. It's huge enough we can fabricate milling about 12 meters long plate. And this is the place we will produce the frameworks of the press. It's kind of floor type. You can see the specifications. X-axis is about 12 meters long, Y-axis is 4 meters, and Z is about 1.25 meters. Okay, made in China. And these are our tools. We ensure us to fabricate different kinds of material, including the borings and the machinings. On that support, we can handle different kind of material. That's basically where we produce our structures in our workshop. And this is this one. You can see the blue one is our Spanish brand machining. Machineries. You can see the specifications, and also ensured us to do some same works made in Spain. But generally speaking, we can make up to 12 meters long different kind of steel parts. You can see over here, you see some plate stored here to be some spare parts or main structures for different kinds of machineries. Okay, just follow me to see this way. And at the end of this row, you can see where the place we do some weldings over there. And then for some small parts, we have a CNC. That's 2 axis or 3 axis to fabricate small parts. For some small components, we do the machining here. And just follow me to the next step. After, to handle different kind of plates. And also we do the welding. The next part is we do surface treatment, such like the sandblasting and the painting. So we go just to the next stop. You can see here in this line, we usually do sandblasting for small parts from this line. We put it there and we go through this line. We do the blasting. Parts will go out from this line, and if we need to do sandblasting for big parts, for example the big frame, we can do sandblasting in these warehouses. The workshop. The whole frame is, the place is big enough so we can lift it. Put it in this plate, do the blasting. So ensure us to do the surface treatment for spare parts and also the whole body part for the press brake and also some laser cutting machines. And besides this workshop, we can go to the next. And these 2 rooms are our painting houses. We have evacuation hose to evacuate the painting, that means the waste, out of the room to do recycling. And then some small parts just hang on the rail to do painting. And this room is also the same. So you can see our veteran workers do paintings here, including small parts and also the huge part. Just like you can see this one. After the painting, normally we do primer coating and also surface coating. It's about 80 micrometers. Like the frame like this. Yeah, the print quality. Our veteran painting workers works here for over 20 years. That's the reason why the quality looks supreme and reliable. You can see the ramp laid down here. That's the one spare part we work for another customer in North Europe. And also you can see the hand sliders. They do OEM with us. We do painting and bending, assembling for them. And just in this way, you can see some our finished or semi-finished press brake laid down here. Yes, all the machinery are just fabricated and assembled in our workshop. And in front of us, we have laser cutting machines to handle different kind of plates. Yeah, we will just go over here. Just follow me. This is a place where we handle thin plates. I mean, it's a thickness below 15 millimeters. That's the Bastonic laser cutting machines. We handle and cutting small parts. For fire cutting machines, we cut a plate over 15 millimeters. You can see different materials like a plate, aluminium, and even steel. Steel plate or copper wires are just laid down here. But not only to handle and assemble machineries, but also do some bendings for some customers. For example, the automotive customers, they need some small parts. We also use our own machine to fabricate different kind of issues. You can see our workers over here. That is the S3 series. 100 tons, 3.1 meters. Like you can see, that is drill. And also you can see Marina is take the video here. Okay, for different kind of parts. So generally you can see the plate, the surface treatment, assembly, and the final parts are all done in this workshop. Okay, I hope you can trust us that we are not trading companies. Yes, this is PWK. Marina can say hello to you.